How to add and use the extension.
First, let me show you how this application works when user's web page. It looks like it's not useful at all.
So now, let's use it as a browser extension. First thing you need to do is go to Chrome or Brave browser. Now, go to Extensions.
And click the Load Unpacked.
Now, look for the location of the folder.
In my case, I store it on my desktop. After clicking the Select folder, the application will be added to your extensions. Now, pin the extension.
So now, you've finally installed the extension. Let's try it.
You can save some text using the Save Input button, and it will be stored on your local storage. And if you click the Save Tab button, the current app link will be saved.
The Delete button will delete the link that you selected.
And if you click the link, you will be redirected to the new tab.
Lastly, the Delete All button will delete all the links and text that you saved. Thanks for watching. I hope that this simple application can help you.